Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a doctor and his team are on a mission to eradicate the fully dunce narrative being promoted in songs in Jamaica. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
Can I see the hands of all of those who want to be fully bright? Hands down again. And can I see the hands of all those who want to be fully dunce?
A message well received by students of the Hope Valley Experimental School in St. Andrew. It was a morning filled with dance and cheers as members from the Fully Bright initiative brought lyrics of motivation to students. Medical doctor and entertainer Dr. Garth Shakapo MacDonald, who spearheads the initiative, says his team is currently visiting schools across the island to eradicate the fully dunce narrative being promoted among youths via the airwaves.
It sparked, my response and response to others because of the potential negative effects it could have on impressionable minds, especially our boys.
Dr. MacDonald says with the high level of crime in Jamaica, it is important the next generation's future is secured. How? By getting a proper education.
Boys shy away from trying to be brilliant because they may think it's not cool to be bright. And this is just something that needed to be addressed.
What everybody needs to do is to try and embrace positivity.
Principal Anthony Grant endorses the initiative.
Anything at all that taps in their own thought processes, their own creativity, anything that resonates with them in a positive vein, then I'll definitely embrace it.
Students also expressed why being fully bright is necessary.
To be fully bright means you can perform at your highest in whatever you are doing. And also, to be fully bright means to be a critical thinker and make good decisions quickly.
You have to have a lot of responsibility, dedication and hard work into what you want to accomplish as goals, long-term, short-term, medium-term, whatever goal you want to achieve.
Mr. Grant is calling all stakeholders to play their part to steer youth in the right direction.
Even if they are exposed to things that are negative, they don't have to embrace it. They can use that and think critically how to use that and to think differently.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.